Hello guys, so today I'm doing a follow-up video to the one I did on the replacement of the radiator. So one thing I didn't quite cover on that video is the fact that if you're considering using the Denso Direct-fit radiators, which is what I used, I did encounter a little challenge which I didn't cover in the video, but I will cover here. So that's what I'm talking about. So you would see that I had to trim this area, down to that point, right? And that's because it was directly impinging on this, so I didn't quite like that. So just something to consider, just in case you're considering using a Denso Direct-fit radiator. I'm not saying that all Denso Direct-fit radiators will have this problem, but in the end it was a very simple thing to deal with. As you can see, that metal part is just an offshoot. It doesn't doesn't hold coolant. You can safely cut it off, which I did with a hacksaw. So I just wanted to give you this feedback, so you can make so that you know what you're getting into if you do get a Denso Direct-fit radiator. Thank you very much. Like the video and subscribe as well. Thank you.